Hi, I'm Hal Bradbury. I'm the new chemical oceanographer at the Department of Earth, Ocean and Atmospheric Sciences in the University of British Columbia. The research topics that I'm excited about now are mainly to do with the carbon cycle and marine sediments and how this links to the overlying ocean. We know that the carbon cycle is important because of the climate, and the main sink of carbon from Earth's surface to solid Earth is in the oceans, where it's deposited as you know, through the deposition of carbonate minerals and organic carbon on the seafloor. And what I'm really interested in is what happens to this carbon once it's been deposited. So it could either just be preserved, or actually it can be broken down by a series of different reactions, and how they interact really controls what form the carbon is actually stored in, or whether it's released back to the ocean. And I think these kind of processes are really important as well, because they link back to lots of other elements. So if you have different reactions happening with your organic carbon, this can lead to the release or consumption of different elements, which is impacting these cycles between the sediment and the seawater itself. I think what I really liked about ERS when I was looking at the department and looking at this position was I really like how interdisciplinary the department is. So you have researchers in so many different areas, and I can see myself collaborating across the whole department. So working with the oceanographers and the isotope geochemists and the geologists, and then more people doing the kind of numerical modelling side of things as well, and machine learning. I think also I really like the combined focus on both excellent research but also new teaching methods, and I thought that the support provided by the department for undergraduate and graduate teaching was really good, and I really liked the fact that there was a bit of a focus on teaching as well. Luckily, I enjoy teaching chemical oceanography. I also really like teaching field geology. So I've done quite a lot of field teaching, and I think that during field teaching, students really get a chance to see the kind of scale of geological and oceanographic processes, which can be really hard to grasp in lecture-based learning.